Hello everyone, welcome to Maan Technology video editing and making tutorial. Today I will show you how you use transition in your video, and I prefer for video editing and making Adobe Premiere Pro. This is very easy software. So firstly I open the Adobe Premiere Pro software. So let's start, and you can learn easily how you use transition in your video. So this is the interface of this software, and the workspace is very essential for your video editing and making. If your workspace is not like that, so don't worry, please set up your workspace. So firstly, I took 3 video clips here, and now I place the first one video clips in video frame, and then another one, and then the last one. Thus, I put the 3 video clips side by side. Also, I'll play the full video clips. Here, we can see video transition effects in effects panel, and here have some transitions. So I'll select one and show you how to organize it or how you increase the length effect. Here, deep to black effect preset, so you can see what is it work. Now I select another one and deep to black remove, and then I select fill dissolves and then increase the length. You can easily your effects from effect controls panels, effects, and then I play it to understand. I'm playing it for you to understand better. I select morph cut, and here we can play. Then I select where chroma leaks, and now we can see how it works. In fact, I'm showing you this effects by editing the videos and playing them so that you can understand easily and you can learn how to organize the effects from effect controls. Similarly, I will use the transition effects in the rest of the video clips. So then I use another effect from 2 video clips. You can use a single video clips and you can add, or the effect can be used by combining two video clips together. So you can use the effect combine or individual. And you can easily increase the duration of the effect control panels. I add the effects and play them for you to understand very easily. By using video effects in this way, you can present your videos in a very beautiful way. Or even if you want to a new one, making a new video, also you can follow these instructions and then you can easily make a new video. If the presentation of the picture or video is beautiful, it is definitely very attractive to everyone. So you can see here what effects I used in the video clips and how I customized them. Before using these transitions, you should apply all the effects, maximum effects in your video clips, and which effect is suitable for your video, then you can apply it. Now we can see how to customize the wipe effect. You can control the corner point, then you can easily customize it. So I am applying the maximum